Okay, so the next thing we have to do is clean the van out because it has a lot of dirt. It has a lot of residue from the flooring. So we're gonna have to really do a deep clean. There's also some rust, so that's not really good. So Dylan's working right now. I'm going to clean the van out, and hopefully after that we can put the sound deadening on, which we just got in the mail today. So you basically just have like Goo Gone, try and get all this sticky stuff off, and we just have brushes and brush pads. So this is to get like the big stuff, this is to get kind of like the little stuff. Some regular like dish soap, I think, and then we're gonna wash it all off with isopropyl alcohol to get really all the surface all prepped, be able to get the sound deadening on. By today our van will be all prepped and ready to put stuff in it. Yeah, I'll show you what we have updated so far. It's not much from what we did yesterday, but that's why I'm in different clothes, and it's also kind of chilly out today, but yeah, let's see. Right now, as you can see, maybe you can't, I don't know, but we got some of the wire stuff off, and really my goal today is to kind of get the back wiring inside, or at least visible, so we can actually put it inside the cavity, because we don't really want to put it up here. We want everything to be flush. I can see right now. I don't do well with bees. It's done. So I pretty much finished it all in one day. The only like really tricky part was spray painting the bottom for like rust prevention. It didn't go as evenly as I planned. I think I'm gonna run to the store and get another one. Yeah, so I don't know, let me see what you think. It's very fumey, which is fine. There's a car. is so awkward? Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Maybe not, but if this is completely, you know, out of the ballpark for you, get someone else to do it. Wasn't that hard. I think anyone could do it. I did it. Okay, bye guys.